Hello there, guys. And in this tutorial, we are going to discuss dot files. Now, what are dot files? We already touched upon those in some of the previous tutorials, but I really wanted to devote an entire video to dot files. It's probably not going to be a long video, but if I keep rambling on like this, it is going to be. So let's get to the point. What are dot files? Dot files are actually files that begin with a dot, whose file name begins with a dot, and they are by default hidden. So when I type in ls, I'm not going to see the dot files. However, if I use the A option, I will see the files and the directories that begin with a dot. Okay, so basically the files and the directories that begin with a dot are actually hidden files and hidden directories, and you can see them by using the special A option in your ls command. Okay, so this is pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and talk to you very soon.